Hey there, fellow coders. Welcome back to your Technocrat. Today, we're diving deep into the world of ChatGPT and exploring how you can leverage its power to enhance your coding skills. ChatGPT, powered by OpenAI's GPT 3.5, is a language model designed to understand and generate human-like text based on the input it receives. Now, you might be wondering, how can ChatGPT benefit me in coding? Oh, mess. Stick around because we're about to break it down for you. ChatGPT provides coding assistance. ChatGPT can help you with code suggestions, completion, and even catching errors. It's like having a coding buddy at your fingertips. You could also use it in learning new languages. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting, ChatGPT can assist you in learning new programming languages by providing explanations and examples. It is good to understand interpreting responses. ChatGPT provides detailed responses, and understanding how to interpret them is crucial. We'll break down the components and teach you how to extract valuable information in the more upcoming videos. Like and subscribe for more videos that take coding even further. Happy coding.